Home remedy for cough. Coughing is one of the most common health problems. When there is a blockage or irritant in your throat or upper air passages, your brain thinks a foreign element is present and tells your body to cough to remove that element. You can treat coughs due to colds, allergies, and sinus infections with a number of over-the-counter medicines. Bacterial infections will require antibiotics. However, for those who prefer to avoid chemicals, here is a home remedy that can help. Ingredients: cup of herbal tea, two teaspoons of honey, one teaspoon of lemon juice, method. Add the lemon juice and honey to herbal tea. Mix the ingredients in the herbal tea. Drink it. Alternatively, you can also mix honey and lemon juice in warm water. Use this remedy twice a day to get rid of cough.